Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Okay, that's silver. Silver on the daily scale is still showing, as far as I'm concerned, that we are in a bear movement, and I told you that I would like to see a breakdown from this level where it was challenging the overhead resistance for the fourth time right here. You see the overhead resistance. I would like to see it breaking down back to sink to the mid-range, and that's what happened. And now, in my opinion, it's building gradually the movement that will take it even lower, and eventually we're going to see a break through that level. I'm still expecting a move that should resemble the big move that we have seen here. Okay, this is still on. I still think that the balance of forces is leading the bears to take control here. I do not think that this is a preparation for a huge rally. I could be wrong, but so far you can see that the bears keep coming back to control this market. Now this is the 60 minutes, and just focusing on the very latest price action. The slide from this level may have started 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that silver will register further weakness in the coming week and basically break down, sink into the mid-range here. That should be an excellent signal for you that indeed the bears are in total control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will yield first leg down. Tiny ABC around here. Prepare for another smash. Another big smash that will go and challenge the previous low and potentially break through. Okay, this is the chart of gold. That's the daily. And also here I am expecting a break, at least on this scale. Okay, there is an alternative that says that maybe we have a bottom in hand. It's an alternative that I do not favor at this point. Okay, let me be absolutely clear. I do not favor, although I see some very serious divergences in many indices that deal with the mining sector. Very serious divergences. We're talking about historic oversold conditions. But the pattern here, when you analyze it meticulously, you go for the details, being fairly meticulous here. We don't have enough evidence that we have a bottom in hand, and that's the 200 moving average, and that's the 50. It's now looking like it's going for another challenge with a 200 moving average, and I don't think it's going to win. We also have the line coming down from this level. Do you see this resistance line? It's just knocking its head against 200 plus this line. And there is, of course, overhead resistance as well, right here on the daily. Now, the only alternative that would allow the market, if you like, to start flowering and saying, yeah, we have some sort of bottom here, we're going to start running up, is as follows. If we subdivide let me see. If we subdivide the price action right from the top in 2011 as an A, B, C, and that's an X, okay, pretty clear, yeah? A, B, C, D, crystal clear here, and also crystal clear the 5 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, absolutely crystal clear here. Okay, so we do have A, B, C, X. We have A. Up to here, there's absolutely no problem. The wave count is looking super clear. The issue begins from this spot, because we don't know where the B ended. I suspect it ended here, and that opens the gate for a complication, if you like, of possibly a 1-2 or A, B, and that's a 1-2, etc., etc. We discussed this before. Now, if I encapsulate the entire price action from this spot up to this spot as a B, okay, then at that point you can say that you got your A, you got your B, and hey, you got your C. You got your C. So what's happening here, in fact, is a movement that could actually start running up, leaving us with an A, just that you see the entire structure, A, B, C, X, A, B, C, complete. You see, at that point, you can say that, yes, we are now ready for an extensive run. It may not necessarily lead to this. I don't think it's going to lead to this now, but it may definitely lead to something like that. It could go up by, who knows, 20, 30, 40%. Yes, but even that, in my opinion, is not coming now. I'm still favoring the downside. Let me show you now from close how things are shaping up. That's the 200. Do you see the challenge is now that this market is facing? The tough challenge of the 200 that is still in completely descending mode. Yeah, it's just slumping. It's just going down. The 50 is coming up for some support, but the structure from this level is, in my opinion, definitely corrective. I'm still preferring the ABCX, ABCX, and this, in my opinion, delivered another ABC. And we have the alternatives that this could be an A and that's a B. If that's complete, we're going all the way down under 1050. If that's 1, that's 2, of course, we're going down in a third wave that will be very, very bearish. Let's now have a look at the 60 minutes. And you can see the breakdown from the recent top has delivered 5 legs. And that's very important to observe here on the 60 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very clear. Very clear. No need to twist and turn anything. 60 minute scale, straightforward. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go. That's your 1. That's your A. That's your B. And that's your C. Let's go to a 10 minutes. 10 minute scale. And here it is. That's our B. That's our 1, 2. That's our 3, 4. We need a pop above that level to complete the 5th leg. And it could be all over. It could be all over. And what I mean is that once we have that pop, and maybe it's already done, if gold opens the coming week and it finds resistance at around, I would say, this level, that is 1122 or so, okay, and then it comes back sinking under 1110, you got it, that's it, we are ready. That's going to be a 1-2, 1-2 slump, heavily, break down heavily. That will be a 3 of 3. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down, you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, okay, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here there is a description of the services, okay, and in fact, this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to, okay? So if you subscribe to the Wave Mastery daily service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. Okay, so you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. Okay, €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wave Mastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, okay, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.